And welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So on today's design, the design we will be working on is this design you are seeing on the screen now. Yes, the design you are seeing on the screen now, that's what we will be creating with our photo editor and Pixellab. Just like I said before, I want to be combining these two apps because it's very good. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First and foremost, just like what I taught you before, this is the photo editor interface. Just click on this gallery, then you select what you want to select from here, then you allow this thing to open. Okay, this thing has opened. This is what we need here. Click on this and allow that to open. That's it. It's cool. I think we'll need to draw this a little bit, just a few draw effects to add on this. Okay. Okay, let's check on the bra. Okay, so this is it. This is the bra. Click on this so that this will just pop out a little bit. So this is what we need here. Click OK. So this is how the background is. So the next thing is to come over to this text and image. Click on this plus icon, then select this from here. It will go to your gallery and you select what you want to design or what you want to work with. So this is it. I want to check my remove PG. So this thing is taking a little bit time to open. Okay, so this is it. Let's check our remove PG. This is it. Remove PG. Remove PG. Okay, this is okay. Selected and click on done. So this is it. I think the opacity of this thing is, need to increase the opacity. Okay. No, this is not what we want. I think we need to okay, let's delete this and bring in another one. Let's bring in another one. Okay, this is having issue. Let's check from here. Let's check from here. Remove PG. Okay, this is the same thing. It's having the same issue. Just delete this. Let's cancel this and check it this way. Okay, so this is it. Let's just select this too so that it will not do again. So this is okay. Just tap on this one and delete it to work on this one. So this is cool. But before this, let's just go. Let's edit this. Click on this setting. Keep aspect ratio. Click OK. So let's keep this thing here. Then the next thing is to click on this edit. Then let's click on this place. Then click on effect.